So from today, the Tika Utsav that the Prime Minister has initiated, that has begun. We are coming to you from the Fortis Hospital in Vasant Kunj. This is the situation at the vaccination center over here. The area that we are standing in is the observation room. So people who've already received their jabs, they are seated here. They will be under observation for the next 30 minutes. So ever since we came here about half an hour ago, there have been people constantly streaming in over here. A lot of people eager to get their jabs. Many others who've already received their jabs. Let us get you their voices. सर अपना नाम बताएं और बताएं कि आपकी क्या प्रतिक्रिया है प्रधानमंत्री की तरफ से जिस तरह से लगातार अपील करी जा रही है वैक्सीनेशन के लिए, और आपका खुद का क्या अनुभव है, आप और लोगों से तक क्या संदेश पहुंचाना चाहेंगे?
मेरा नाम सुरेश ठाकुर है और प्रधानमंत्री जी ने जब मुख्यमंत्री कॉन्फ्रेंस में बोला था कि 11 से 14 तक टीका उत्सव मनाओ, तो उसी विषय में हम करने के लिए इंजेक्शन लगवाने के लिए यहाँ पर, और अब घर जाके लोगों को बताएंगे कि लगाओ और लगाओ, बहुत अच्छी वैक्सीन है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है यहाँ पर, सब आधे घंटे हो गया सबका, सब ठीक ठाक है, सब ठीक ठाक है, सब ठीक ठाक है।
धन्यवाद सर। मैडम आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कैसा अनुभव है वैक्सीन लगवाने के बाद और जाने के बाद? क्या और लोगों से जो आपके आसपास रहते हैं या फैमिली में हैं उनसे भी कहेंगे वैक्सीन लगवाने के?
लगवाने का एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा रहा मेरा, ऐसी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुई है मुझे। घर जाकर तो औरों को भी मोटिवेट करूँगी। ये प्रधानमंत्री जी का बहुत अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है एंड वी विल वेट।
थैंक यू मैम। Ma'am, we'd like to know from you, please tell us your name and how do you see this initiative by the Prime Minister when he says there's going to be a Tika Utsav for 4 days? How much of an impact do you think it will make?
First of all, my name is Rubina. It's an excellent initiative and I suggest that each and everybody who falls under the category of 45 plus must get the jab done. It's one of the important tools that we have right now to stop the pandemic. And the initiative is superb, and I'm very proud of the way India has handled this entire pandemic of, giving jabs. We've covered so many people in such a short time. So, excellent, superb.
Ma'am, just one more question to you. Arvind Kejriwal, the Chief Minister of Delhi, has just announced that if the central government allows, he would want to start his own initiative, at least in Delhi, where door-to-door vaccinations can also take place. Do you think a proposal like that should also be allowed to increase vaccination coverage in the country?
Absolutely, because sometimes what people feel that there's a long queue in the hospitals and people would not want to come to the hospitals just because they are scared, of contracting the virus. So it's an excellent, that's also a very good initiative, and yes, we should go ahead with it.
Right. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for speaking to us. So that is the reactions of the people here, people appreciating both the initiative by the Prime Minister when it comes to the Tika Utsav and also proposals like door-to-door vaccination, the kind of one that has been suggested by Arvind Kejriwal. People here pointing out that a lot of people would really want to avoid coming to hospitals where the possibility of contracting the virus because so many ill people are present here. So they would really want to avoid that if door-to-door vaccinations can indeed be allowed by the centre.